Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit plastic domed head punk studs. Here I have a domed head right here. See, this is in bronze, and if I flip this over onto the back, you'll see a backing pin area right here. See that little hole? That's for this rivet to go into the back of. So I have some cork fabric here, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the bradawl, or you can call it a pokey tool, something sharp that's used to make holes, and we're going to pierce the fabric here. Be careful of your fingers, just like that, and we're going to push that through until we're satisfied with the size of the hole. Now I have the hole in my material. I'm going to take my backing pin here, that rivet, we're going to push that through, so that should be poking out the top and the other side now as well. I'll take the dome and I'll make sure on the back of the dome that we see where that middle hole is, and we give it a little push onto the pin, so it holds a little bit, but it's not secure yet. Let's turn this over, holding the material, keeping your fingers away from the area that we're about to whack with a mallet, and lightly tap the back of this. And there we have it. Nice and secure. And there's the back end, and you're done.